What's up, guys and girls? Welcome back to my channel. This is my face. I know, it's unfortunate, right? Anyway, first time you guys have seen it. Welcome back to the channel after a long time, a long hiatus. I have been extremely busy with work. I've been building a terrace. I've just had no spare time to shoot. Anyway, we're back. We are back on the normal schedule, guys. I also have a little announcement at the end of this video. So if you're not too interested in my gear, then you can skip to here or here, one of these. Skip to this time and you'll hear the announcement. Anyway, let's get into it. Now, I have some new kit that I wanted to show you in these new saddlebags. They are Rhino Walks. They're from Amazon, cheapos, but they do the job.
Same, but different.
First thing I have, got a jumper in there. That's unnecessary right now. I have a sleeping mat. This guy. That one. Put you there. I have a pillow. I have, ooh, this one's important. This is a battery bank and tire pump. It works really well. I needed this. That's because I let my tires down when I do some off-roading, and when I come back to the road, I might not be near anywhere that has air. And so if I'm not near anywhere that has air, I don't want to ride on the road with low tire pressure. So I pump them back up myself. A sleeping bag, an essential. Which one is it? That one. And finally, we have a tent. This is the Darwin 2 by Coleman, which is actually an Australian brand, I think. You can look that up and fact check me, but I'm pretty sure it's Australian. We have it in Australia. Then last but not least, I have a little water bladder here. This is like a camelback water bladder. And that's just in emergencies. I'll have this in my tank bag that's here, and that way I can grab it quickly if I need a drink. Okay, that's that side. Let's go to the other side. What do we have? Flip-flops. Essential. These are essential. When you get to your campsite, you don't want to be wearing your boots, you chuck your flip-flops on. I have a protein shaker and protein. These will be my breakfasts, basically. Quick breakfast. It'll get you to 11 o'clock or something like that until you find something else. Then I have cookware. This is just a little camping pot. It's got a little gas burner inside, gas pot, gas burner, and I think there's a knife and fork in there, or a fork and a spoon, something like that. I will be using that most nights to cook my food, which I have this. I am not sponsored. This is just something I had. I saw it on an Instagram reel or someone else, and I bought it. I've actually had this for quite some time now, but it's just dry food, dry pack. So it's like camping food, basically. I've got a couple bags of that. As you can see, they're not full because I've already eaten some. So there we go. All they require is a bit of boiling water. Chuck the contents in and away you go. I have spare gloves. These are quite old gloves, and you would have seen them in the start of my channel. You would have seen these gloves. These are more cold weather gloves, or a bit colder weather gloves, and they have a bit of protection here. But these are a spare, basically. I don't know if I'll need them or not. That is a spare burner for the gas stove. Again, I don't know if I'll need it, but you never know. Little redundancy never hurt anyone. What else then? These are my clothes. They're just in a little packing cube. Got some undies, got some t-shirts, and I got a spare pair of jeans. That is all. Plus this jumper, which can go there. We're down to the spares. This is a tire repair kit, another Amazon find. It's just got, you know, some, I think we call these dog turds in Australia, and you just shovel them into your tire when you get a puncture. Only good for tubeless. If you have a tube, you need a tube repair kit. Anyway, just so you know, the BMWs are tubeless. There's that. Then a toolbox. This toolbox has everything I need to work on this bike, to get all the bolts undone. It is a little bit overkill. Got a bunch of stuff in there. Got some zip ties in here as well, because you can never have enough zip ties. If you can't fix it with zip ties and duct tape, then you're not using enough zip ties and duct tape. That is the saying. Anyway, I've got that. Hopefully I won't need these two items, but it's better to have it than not need it than need it and not have it. Remember that.
Wisdom.
Then, finally, the last thing, I've got some spares. So, some spare straps. Maybe it's overkill. I've got four spare straps. I was thinking 2 straps per bag, like in case any of this rigging snaps or melts or anything like that. I can just use a couple of these, tie it up, Bob's your uncle. I have, again, just a couple of spares, like a spare clip, a full one, and then these little things, which, I don't know, they came with the bags. I think they're for mounting like up here or something on other bikes. But anyway, I'll be taking them just because, again, if something snaps, I can try and jerry rig it with what I've got. And that's everything. That is everything that I'll be taking with me. This is my camping gear. I have not used it yet. So I will pack everything up and we'll get back on the bike. All right, now that that's all packed away, nice and tidy, I need to go and test it somewhere. And so I was thinking maybe Finland. No one is here. I fell over. I never intended to ride that far. Oh, that's loose. That is loose. Where there's one, there's more. Oh, good. See if we can get down this sketchy road. I hope there are no bears that come and get me. It was making a noise. The road has taken its toll on my brain. Stay out of my gate. Now, if you're gonna write in the comments what a nut job, go for it. Because I am. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. I hope you enjoyed that little taste of what's to come, guys. I had an absolute blast on this trip. I hope you guys will as well. If you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any episodes in this new series. I'll see you guys in the next one, which might be Finland.